Welcome to Emu Bay Holiday Homes. I'm going to take you through a quick walk through Amani, our main house. With this nice wide front door, cater for people with access needs. The TV lounge has a queen size sleeper couch in and doors that can close to use as an extra sleeping space. The main lounge area has magnificent views over the beach. The large dining table can cater for up to 12 people seated. The kitchen has ample space to work and a big oven, and lovely to be part of the people sitting in the lounge while you're cooking. The third bedroom has a double bed and a bunk bed. The second bedroom has good wide space to cater for somebody with access needs and through to the bathroom. That is a disability bathroom, which I'll show you shortly. The other bathroom has a basin outside, a toilet in there, and then another bath and shower. And behind the door is another basin, so really can cater for a lot of people. The main bedroom has a queen size bed and it has access to the same bathroom, which you can close off from either door, or if it is a carer with their person that they're taking care of, there's easy access to the other person in the other room. The shower is nice and wide and suitable, as is the toilet. And the basin has one specially lower for people that are in a wheelchair that can access. I hope you've enjoyed the view.